This is a tool I use all the time that a lot of people don't know about. But you can very easily reopen tabs that you've closed. So how many times have you been browsing the internet, some random websites, and then you've closed them down, you've carried on with something else, and then you've gone, oh, I wish I hadn't closed it. I've not saved that anywhere. I could have to trawl back through my history and try and find it. Well, actually, you can just go to the top right up here and right click. And if you right click, one of the options is reopen closed tab, and it will pop back up. And if you've had multiple tabs, you can click it more than once, and it's got a history of the tabs you built in, and you can just reopen them. Again, it's very small skill, but I'm sure it's worth knowing that it exists.